Research and choose a platform. Before you can start building your virtual store, you need to research and choose a suitable platform in the metaverse. Some popular options include Decentraland, Sandbox, and Crypto Voxels. Create an account. Once you have selected a platform, create an account to begin building your virtual store. This usually involves setting up a digital wallet and connecting it to the platform. Design your store layout. Sketch out a rough idea of how you want your virtual store to look. Consider factors such as the size of the space, the layout of displays, and any interactive elements you want to include. Choose and purchase virtual land. In the metaverse, virtual land can be purchased to set up your store. Choose a location that fits your budget and aesthetic preferences. Set up your store. Use the platform's building tools to construct your virtual store. You can customize the walls, floors, and decor to create a unique and inviting space. Add products. Once your store is set up, it's time to add products for sale. This can include virtual goods, digital art, NFTs, and more. Make sure to include detailed descriptions and pricing for each item. Create a payment system. Set up a payment system that allows customers to make purchases in the metaverse using cryptocurrency or other digital assets. This may require integrating with a third-party payment processor. Implement security measures. Protect your virtual store from hackers and fraud by implementing security measures such as encryption, secure login credentials, and regular security audits. Market your store. Create a marketing plan to promote your virtual store to potential customers. This can include social media campaigns, partnerships with influencers, and advertising within the metaverse. Test your store. Before launching, test your virtual store to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Check for any bugs or glitches that may need to be fixed. Launch your store. Once you are satisfied with the setup and testing of your virtual store, launch it to the public. Spread the word through your marketing channels and invite customers to visit. Monitor performance. Keep an eye on the performance of your virtual store, including sales metrics, customer feedback, and website traffic. Use this data to make informed decisions about future improvements. Update regularly. Keep your virtual store fresh and engaging by regularly updating the products, layout, and design. Consider adding seasonal promotions or limited edition items to drive sales. Engage with customers. Interact with customers who visit your virtual store to build relationships and foster loyalty. Offer excellent customer service and respond promptly to inquiries or feedback. Expand and grow. As your virtual store gains traction and popularity, consider expanding to new locations within the metaverse or partnering with other brands for collaborative events. Continuously innovate and adapt to stay competitive in the evolving landscape of the metaverse.